For staying with us. Now let's begin with some political developments. Operatives of the Economic and Financial Crimes Commission have arrested businesswoman Achimugu at the Nnamdi International Airport, Abuja. Ms. Achimugu was arrested at about 5 o'clock this morning. She had been declared wanted in March by the EFCC over allegations of criminal conspiracy and money laundering. According to her lawyer, Achimugu arrived voluntarily into the country from London. He described the arrest by EFCC as a violation of court order. It says his client returned based on the undertaking before the courts to honor the EFCC's invitation, but was arrested at the airport. The EFCC also arrested popular Lagos socialite Emeka Daniel, also known as E-Money, for alleged abuse of currency. Report says E-Money was picked up by operatives of the commission last night at his residence in Lagos. He's facing allegations of defacement of foreign currencies linked to his alleged act of spraying US dollars. And according to the EFCC, investigations and plans to charge E-Money to court are ongoing. And to other matters, counsel to the President of the Senate President, Godswill Akpabio, has demanded a retraction from suspended Senator Natasha Akpoti-Uduaghan over sexual allegations issued against him. In a second letter to his client's accuser, Olisa Bakuba, who is a former president of the Nigerian Bar Association, describes the accusation as clearly false and unsubstantiated. Kemi Foladiemo has more. All right, then to other matters, the Federal High Court in Abuja has granted an order allowing the masking of prosecution witnesses in Nnamdi Kanu's trial. This comes as the federal government has opened its case, calling its first witness to the stand. TVC News senior reporter Celestina Area has more.
4 years after his rearraignment, the federal government has opened its case against IPOB leader Nnamdi Kanu by calling its first witness. The prosecuting counsel had sought a court order through an ex parte application to allow witnesses to testify behind the screen. The first witness, referred to as AAA for identity protection, is an 18-year DSS veteran testifying behind the screen. AAA told the court that on October 14, 2015, he and his team were assigned to arrest Kanu at Golden Tulip Hotel in Lagos. They found broadcasting equipment in Kanu's room, which was improvised and co-signed by Kanu. The next day, Kanu was interviewed and the session was videotaped. AAA stated that the 2015 allegations against Kanu included funding IPOB and inciting agitation in certain regions. The list of items seized from Kanu and the interview CDs were admitted into evidence. AAA proceeded to read Kanu's statement, which he claimed he was interrogated without his lawyer present. Kanu denied involvement in violence, stating his goal was to improve lives and advocate for Biafra's emancipation through Radio Biafra, which he founded. Today's proceedings mark substantial success in the trial of Nnamdi Kanu since his extraordinary rendition from Kenya in 2021. As the case previously handled by Justice Binta Anyanku had seen different adjournment, interlocutory application, and disagreement between the prosecution and the defendant. Now, Justice James Omotosho, the new judge handling the case, granted a celebrated hearing in the case, and the matter has been adjourned to May 2nd for continuation of hearing. Celestina Area, TVC News, Abuja.
Let's go to a short break, and when we return, we'll get straight